Hi guys, yan na po yung aking newborn kittens. Day 1 na po nila yan. Yan po, day 1. Yan, 3 little kittens. 1 boy, 1 male at saka 2 female. Yung male dyan is the white. Tapos yung black, gray, at saka yung black, white na spotted, spots, yan, female, silang dalawa. Yan, tutulog sila. Yung kanilang mama cat is lumabas para siguro pupo.